Azure NetApp Files is a premier cloud storage service within the Microsoft Azure platform. It delivers high-performance file shares for demanding enterprise applications like SAP, virtual desktops, and data-intensive workloads. Azure NetApp Files stands out for its simplicity and seamless integration with the Azure ecosystem, making it ideal for organizations seeking robust, scalable storage solutions. Its key strength lies in catering to diverse operational needs. It offers various integration points with other Azure services. This interconnectedness allows businesses to create customized solutions tailored to their specific requirements, ensuring optimal performance and flexibility. Historically, Azure NetApp Files offered robust integration with Active Directory, AD. This was primarily through Azure AD for file share authentication and authorization. However, a new chapter unfolds with the recent announcement of deeper integration between Azure NetApp Files and Active Directory. This enhancement allows each Azure NetApp Files account to link directly with its own dedicated Active Directory forest and domain. This new capability marks a significant leap forward in operational isolation, security, and specialized hosting capabilities. It empowers organizations to achieve granular control over their data and applications within Azure. In the following sections, we will delve deeper into these benefits. We will also highlight how this game-changing integration can revolutionize your cloud storage strategy. The latest enhancement to Azure NetApp Files introduces a groundbreaking capability: direct integration with Active Directory, AD. This integration is a fundamental shift in how organizations can manage and secure their data. Previously, Azure NetApp Files relied on Azure AD for authentication. This new feature enables each Azure NetApp Files account to establish a direct connection with its own distinct AD forest and domain. This direct integration brings forth benefits, with operational isolation and enhanced security taking center stage. Organizations can now isolate their storage resources at an unprecedented level. Each Azure NetApp Files account operates within its own secure AD environment. This eliminates the risk of unintended access or interference from other accounts or Azure services. This separation of environments is paramount for organizations with strict compliance and security requirements. Industries like healthcare, finance, and government can leverage this feature to build highly secure and compliant storage solutions. They can confidently meet even the most stringent regulatory demands. Moreover, this direct integration fosters a more streamlined and efficient management experience. Administrators can leverage their existing AD infrastructure and tools to manage permissions, control access, and monitor activity within their Azure NetApp Files environments. This eliminates the need for separate management consoles or complex workarounds, simplifying administrative tasks and reducing the potential for errors. The integration of Active Directory directly into Azure NetApp Files marks a paradigm shift in operational isolation and security. This is a game changer for organizations that prioritize data protection and regulatory compliance. Let's delve into the specifics of how this integration elevates security measures. Firstly, the isolation of AD environments for each Azure NetApp Files account creates impenetrable barriers against unauthorized access. This means that even if one account is compromised, the others remain completely isolated and secure. This compartmentalization of resources is crucial in today's threat landscape, where lateral movement by attackers is a constant concern. Secondly, the use of dedicated AD forests and domains gives organizations granular control over access policies and permissions. Administrators can define highly specific rules. These rules dictate which users or groups can access, modify, or delete data within each Azure NetApp Files account. This fine-grained control ensures that sensitive information is only accessible to authorized personnel, minimizing the risk of data breaches or leaks. Thirdly, the direct integration with AD strengthens authentication mechanisms. Organizations can leverage multi-factor authentication, MFA, and other advanced security features offered by their on-premises AD infrastructure. This adds an extra layer of protection, making it significantly more difficult for unauthorized users to gain access to sensitive data stored within Azure NetApp Files. In conclusion, The enhanced operational isolation and security provided by this integration empower organizations to build robust and compliant storage solutions in Azure. This new level of control and protection instills confidence, knowing that their data is safeguarded by enterprise-grade security measures. This allows them to focus on their core business objectives without compromising on security or compliance. The ability to integrate Azure NetApp Files with dedicated Active Directory forests and domains unlocks a world of possibilities for specialized hosting scenarios. Organizations can now tailor their storage environments to meet the specific needs of different applications, departments, or clients. Let's explore some compelling use cases. Consider a large enterprise with multiple departments, each operating with a degree of autonomy. With this integration, each department can have its own Azure NetApp Files account linked to its own AD forest and domain. This setup ensures that each department's data remains separate and secure, adhering to internal access control policies and data governance regulations. In another scenario, managed service providers, or MSPs, can leverage this feature to offer isolated and secure storage solutions to their clients. Each client can have their own dedicated Azure NetApp Files account linked to their own AD environment. This eliminates the risk of data commingling and ensures that each client's data remains completely separate and confidential. Furthermore, this integration facilitates the creation of specialized hosting environments for applications with unique requirements. For instance, an organization can set up a dedicated Azure NetApp Files account for a high-performance computing cluster. This account can be linked to an AD environment configured specifically for the HPC workload. This ensures optimal performance, security, and management tailored to the specific demands of the HPC application. The possibilities for specialized hosting are vast and limited only by imagination. This flexibility empowers organizations to optimize their storage resources, tailor their environments to specific requirements, and unlock new levels of efficiency and agility in their cloud operations. Beyond the robust security enhancements, the integration of Active Directory into Azure NetApp Files delivers significant improvements in scalability and operational efficiency. These improvements streamline management tasks and empower organizations to adapt to evolving demands with ease. The ability to seamlessly integrate with existing AD infrastructure simplifies the management of user access and permissions. Administrators can leverage their familiar AD tools and processes to control access to Azure NetApp Files shares. They can manage user accounts and groups without needing to learn new systems or interfaces. This streamlined approach reduces administrative overhead and the potential for errors. It also accelerates the deployment of new storage resources, as administrators can quickly and efficiently configure access permissions using their existing AD workflows. Moreover, this integration enhances scalability by enabling organizations to easily accommodate growth in users, data, and applications. As their storage needs expand, organizations can seamlessly provision new Azure NetApp Files accounts and link them to their existing AD infrastructure. This eliminates the need for complex and time-consuming reconfigurations of user access and permissions. This seamless scalability ensures that storage resources can keep pace with business growth, providing a flexible and adaptable foundation for future expansion. The integration of Active Directory into Azure NetApp Files represents a significant step forward in cloud storage technology. It offers a compelling blend of enhanced security, operational isolation, specialized hosting capabilities, and streamlined management. Embracing these new capabilities is crucial for organizations looking to maximize their cloud investments and stay ahead of the curve in today's rapidly evolving digital landscape. Transitioning from previous Azure NetApp Files features to this new AD integrated model is a straightforward process. Microsoft provides comprehensive documentation and guidance to facilitate a smooth migration. Organizations can start by identifying the Azure NetApp Files accounts that would benefit most from this enhanced integration. They can then follow the step-by-step instructions to link these accounts to their dedicated AD forests and domains. The benefits of making the switch are undeniable. Organizations will experience a significant uplift in security, efficiency, and control over their data. This empowers them to innovate with confidence, knowing that their storage infrastructure is robust, secure, and future-proof.